This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge 5G AI smartphone. The Galaxy 25 Edge is Samsung's ultra slim flagship phone. It is released in May 2025. It offers a sleek design with advanced AI features, and it is powered by top tier chipset and backed by 7 years of updates, making it strong long-term choice. This smartphone is only 5 mm thin and weight is 163 gram. This smartphone is crafted with titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic too. This smartphone is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. This smartphone has a large display. It has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus and 120 Hz refresh rate. This smartphone is brightest tested smartphone panel up to 2600 nits. This smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, which is designed for top tier performance, and it handles demanding apps and games with ease. This smartphone comes with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB or 512 GB storage. It does not have SD expansion. This smartphone comes with 200 MP main camera plus 12 MP ultra wide camera, and it supports optical image stabilization, and it does not have a telephoto. The front facing camera is 12 MP with 85-degree field of view, perfect for high quality selfies and video calls. This smartphone supports 8K video, Galaxy AI enhancements, and night photography. This smartphone comes with smaller 3900 mAh battery due to slim profile. This smartphone supports 25-watt wired charging, which is slower than other S25 models, and 15-watt wireless charging. This smartphone runs on Android 15 with One UI 7. This smartphone packed with Galaxy AI features, for example, generative editing, smart widgets, and DAX. This smartphone supports 7 years of major OS and security updates. This smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 5.4, NFC, USB Type-C, and dual SIM. This smartphone has IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, meaning it can withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. What are the advantages of Galaxy S25 Edge? This smartphone is ultra slim and light, and it is easy to hold and easy to carry. This smartphone has a stunning display, very bright QHD plus screen with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This smartphone has a flagship level performance. Snapdragon Elite chip handles heavy tasks. This smartphone has excellent main camera. The 200 MP main sensor captures highly detailed photos. This smartphone has long-term software support, 7 years of updates. This smartphone has integrated Galaxy AI features, provides useful smart tools for photography, communication, and overall productivity. What are the limitations to consider? This smartphone has a small battery. The 3900 mAh battery may struggle on heavy usage days. This smartphone has slower charging, only 25-watt wired charging. This smartphone does not have a telephoto camera, which limits zoom quality compared to other flagship phones. This smartphone has a high price, around $1,099, similar to fuller featured S25 Plus. What are the customers' positive feedback? This smartphone has a sleek design and a luxurious feel. Display is bright and a beautiful screen. Performance wise, it has a strong performance with Galaxy A features. In case of camera, photos are very clear and colorful, especially in daylight. And this smartphone supports 7 years of software updates and security updates. In US, the price of this smartphone is around $1,099. In India, price of this smartphone is 1,09,999 rupees.